Hello everyone, my name is Basil. I'm the CTO with ClockIt, and today I'm really excited to show you the new feature that we've launched as a part of our version 5 release. The new feature that we've come out with is known as the route planning as well as the route scheduling. So what this means is that you can now create routes, predefined routes, which you can assign to your employees. Once they're logged in with the mobile app, they can see a list of places that they're supposed to visit for the day and mark them complete. As an admin onto the platform, you can see what is the route status and how much has been completed. And I'm very quickly going to run through this demo with you. So once I log in, I'm presented with the dashboard. I can simply come into manage routes. And over here, routes are specific to a site. So I can just go ahead, click on the site and add a new site. So I'll name this the demo route. And in the description, I'm going to say route creation for demo. And once I save this, I can see that my demo route has been created and there are 0 map pins placed. Now, once I click on the route, it's going to take me to the map, and I can simply place pins over here. So you have to know that the add pin mode is specifically for adding pins onto the map. If not, you're going to land up with a lot of clicks and a lot of pins. So let's say I turn on the map pin mode and I drop a pin over there, so you can see the location added successfully. You can see at the bottom as well, the pin has been added. And let me just add one more pin. So these are essentially the 2 places which I'm expected to visit. So let me just turn this off. And now I can see where I've added those 2 pins. And let me just come in and very quickly edit this. So let's say office visit 1, some notes. I can give the contact person, give a phone number, and I'll leave the rest of the details as it is. And that's got saved. Now let me add another visit. So I'll name this office visit 2. Again, some notes. And I'm going to name this. And let's say I give another phone number. And let me save this. So I've created one route which has 2 locations that I am supposed to visit. Now, essentially, I should assign this route to someone. So let me go into the route schedule, and you can see that I have a full list of calendar where I can select a date and click. And from here, I can assign the route to whichever employee is it that I'm looking to assign the route to. The other thing that I can do is that once I select an employee, I also select which route I'm going to assign. So I have the demo route. And I can also select which date range they are expected to visit that route. So just let me come in over here. Yes, and another thing is that when you select the route, you can also see these 2 blue pins which indicate that that Faraz is expected to visit on this date. Now, once I save it, you can see that the route has been created for Faraz and it's marked as 0% completed. So let me very quickly log into the mobile app. So I've connected my phone to the system and I'm going to log in Faraz. And you can see that he has a section called My Route. And when he selects that, he can see that these are the 2 points which he's expected to visit for the day. Now, I can come into the list view as well, and it says office visit 1 and office visit 2. So let's say that Faraz comes in and he's already at office visit 1. I'm sorry, so you have to be checked in to mark the status as complete. Let me come back into my route. And let's say Faraz is going to check into this location. I can even see the list view. So that's office location 1. And I can also mention check-in 1. And once I check in, it's going to be marked as complete with green. Now, if I was to come into my map view and refresh this, there you go. You can see it's been updated and it says 50% complete. Now, if I click on his name, I can know which route he was assigned to, and in that route, which was completed, which is pending. And I also can see the route statistics, which says 50% complete with 1 check-in, and there were 2 locations I'm supposed to visit. And I can zoom in over here to see how much he has completed the route. Now, this route assignment can be done from 2 places. One is the route schedule, where essentially you can come in and assign as many routes as you want to all your employees. Or I can even simply go into the user's profile, which is Faraz Muhammad, come into the route planner, and I can even assign routes over here. Now, everything is tracked with ClockIt, right? So you will get to see all the audits, who assigned the route, and so on. You can also come to know in the manage routes who are the people that have edited the route, deleted the route, and so on. So if I was to come into the route detail, I can see that these are the actions which are taken on this route. So that's a very quick demo of the route planning feature along with the route assignment feature. Hope you find this feature useful. A special thanks to our clients in Mozambique, that is Miguel and Ricardo, for suggesting this feature. And it was a part of our 3-week release. Thanks a lot, guys.